Hey everyone, I'm Rob from Staking Facilities, and today in this quick tutorial I would like to show you how you can move from using TezBox to using the Galleon wallet. I'm using the Ledger Nano S, so the process is pretty straightforward because, as you might already know, if you're using a hardware device such as the Ledger, your private keys are stored on a Ledger and the wallet is only a way for you to interact with the blockchain through a nice UI. So using a derivation path, without going into technical details, you can use a single seed phrase, the one that you got when you set up your ledger in the first place, to derive multiple key pairs with. This is quite handy because then you can use one single device to manage multiple accounts. So I'm already logged into TezBox, and this is in one of my accounts, and maybe let's say I want to have this account on TezBox and maybe another one on Galleon, so I can switch accounts, and since I'm using the Ledger for both accounts, I can just hit this little icon up here and then click Connect Ledger or Trezor. I'm using the Ledger device, so I'm leaving it at Ledger, and then here you see the derivation path again. This derivation path is used to derive key pairs from your Ledger. I know, you can leave it as it is with 00 at the end. I know that for the other key pair that I used a 1 in the end. You can type in pretty much any number here. There's an infinite number of key pairs you can derive. But I remember that I used 1 in the end, so I want to move the account where I used this derivation path. Then you just hit Connect Account. It asks you to confirm this on your Ledger. You can do that, and then in a second you will see a different information displayed here. Might take a little while. Awesome. And here's the other address, and that's the one that I want to be moving to Galleon. Okay, now you know the derivation path. I already showed you it's the one with the 1 at the end. You probably can leave it as it is. If you can't remember your derivation path, just hit here and then you see the default one. Then you can copy this, hit cancel, move over to log out from TezBox or log your wallet, close it, make sure you close it all the way because otherwise it might cause problems. Then you go back to, you open up Galleon, and then here it gets interesting. Here you see the selected path as it is right now. We need to change that. Therefore you hit settings up here, and then scroll all the way down to choose derivation path. And now if you hit the drop down menu, you can already see here that they also already have TezBox included here. And this is the address that I copied out from TezBox. So you can probably leave it as it is, but since I used a different derivation path, namely the one with the 1 at the end, I need to click this button here, and I'll just call it Rob's old TezBox account, and paste it in. Now this is the old one, but I remember that I used the 1 in the end, so I changed it to the 1, hit save, and then it's here. Just click in back to login, and then you click connect with Ledger. Now it asks you again if you want to share the public key. Just check the address and then hit confirm. And now here you can see the same address that I used before in TezBox. And that's pretty much it. So you're not really moving anything because the addresses are saved on the blockchain, and again, a wallet is just a way for you to interact with it. But now you can, for whatever reason, if you prefer Galleon over TezBox or the other way around, that's how you can move between them. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment down below or join our Telegram.